Do your man sleep after sex? Does he sleep after sex? Do not bother. In today's video, I am going to tell you the major reason why he sleep after sex. Before I continue, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell to be the first person that will get notified anytime I upload a good video like this. My name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets, behaviors, online dating. So if you want to know more about all this, you are on the right channel. Subscribe now to be part of this channel and turn on the notification bell once again to be notified anytime I upload a good content like this. So let's proceed. What is the reason why your man sleep after sex? The reason could be many factors, but the most important reason is that of stress being released as a sperm. During copulation, he is on exercise. Then during ejaculation, he releases stress, and that stress is the cause of why he sleep. Do you get it? During copulation, he is on exercise, but during ejaculation, he releases stress, and due to that stress being released, he became weak, and that weak results in exhaustion, and that is why he fall asleep. That is just the reason. There are some hormones being released during ejaculation, and that hormones are many. It is part of what he released that makes him weak. Just like when you are heavy, you feel stress. When you release that stress, you will become weak. That is what happened, and that is why he fall asleep after sex. So I hope you understand what today's video is all about. Make sure that you turn on the notification bell, subscribe to this channel, and like this video. Share this video to your friends and families. Share this video to people that might need it. If you like this video and you find this video helpful, share it to people you think that will benefit from it. If you have any question, put it in the comment section below. If you have any other question, or maybe you want me to help you with one or two videos, or to solve your problems through videos, put it down on the comment section below. I promise to reply as possible. Thank you for watching. I am proud of you. See you in my next video.